Basics of using the Pixlr editor. This is a basic Photoshop type program that is free on a website. When you open up the Pixlr editor, you'll see that there are three different things you can do. Most of the time you're going to want to use create a new image. It'll allow you to do everything you want to. So if you create a new image, first thing you do, just double click there. The things that's going to offer is, number one, you could title it whatever you wanted to title. So I'm going to go ahead and name this one Blue Devils, and for no other reason. So you can go presets and see there's different canvas sizes that you want. I'm just going to go use a smaller canvas size. I do want to make it transparent. It gives me a little bit of room. It allows me to use the object and make it where it'll show through. So make sure that you do click on that button. When you open that up, you can see that my canvas size was pretty small, so maybe I want to go back and change that to do that. I thought it was going to work out, but I feel like it's too small. So I'm going to go to canvas size, and I want to change that from 240 to maybe, let's go to 400, and I'll go 400 by 400. That way it'll be at least square, and you'll see that it did increase what I wanted to. In doing that, you notice the checkerboards are there. That is making it transparent. There's other objects that you have over here. To start with, I'm going to go and use the letter type tool. So if I do that, the type tool, and I want to just say Blue Devils, B-L, let's make it all capital, U-E, Devils. And I can always go change the font. You can see there's numerous fonts as we go through here to make it whatever I want it to be. Click on one of them. Doesn't matter what you have, you can go change that. As you scroll down, it does give you numerous sizes that you can go. Let's go with this Jazz. Gives us a little different look, and you can go change the color. Click on it there. Click in that second box, which you notice it did change the color right there. It did give me a little eyedropper there. You can go test the colors that you want if you want to do it that way, and you can play around with it, change whatever way you want. Most of the time it's pretty easy. So I've got what I want there. I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I change the size there, and I should have exactly what I want out of that. So I'm going to click the center tool. I do like it to be centered, which what I've got there. So that gives us some basic ideas of how to get us to the first part. Next part you do want to do is file, and then you want to save. As you save the file, you notice it comes out in that JPEG format. Now we're not finished with it, so we want to make sure when we save it, when we're finished, we'll save it as the PNG, which will make it transparent. And you can see the checkerboards came up. But I'm not finished with it, so I want to keep working on it, which gives me the layered option. So click on this one right here, PXD, and do that. When I get ready to finish, I will use PNG, but now I'm still working, so I'll have that. Hit there, and you'll be able to come back and save that to your Google Drive.